Hello.
Check.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning, everyone, and a very warm welcome to all of you gathered here today at Dayananda Sagar University's School of Engineering. It is truly wonderful to see such an enthusiastic group of students, faculty, and guests ready to step into what promises to be a transformative two-day experience. Before we begin, I'd like to take a moment to acknowledge the Department of Student Affairs for making this event possible. Their commitment to bringing cutting edge, industry relevant learning opportunities to our campus is commendable. And today's workshop is a shining example of that dedication. Now, it is my absolute honor and privilege to introduce you to the man who has made this workshop possible, our facilitator for the next 2 days, Mr. Amrit Raj. I'd also like to welcome our esteemed dignitaries present. Amrit Raj is not just an educator. He's an entrepreneur, a builder, and a visionary who has spent over a decade working at the dynamic intersection of education, technology, and content creation. With more than 10 years of hands-on experience in artificial intelligence, content strategy, and edtech, Mr. Amrit Raj brings to us, to this room, a depth of knowledge and real-world insight that is truly rare. His achievements speak for themselves. He has successfully scaled YouTube channels to a large number of subscribers, amassed more than millions of views across all his content platforms. And he has been a core member in scaling some of the leading educational technology platforms in the country. These are not just numbers, they represent millions of learners whose understanding of technology and AI has been shaped by his work. Mr. Raj specializes in helping students and working professionals build what he calls future-ready skills, the kind of practical, applicable knowledge that doesn't just look good on a resume, but actually prepares you to thrive in a world that is increasingly powered by artificial intelligence. We are incredibly fortunate to have him here with us today. Now, let me give you a brief sense of what the next 2 days are going to be, because this is not your typical sit and learn workshop. The Claudex AI Build Lab is a hands-on project driven program designed around one simple but powerful idea. Don't just learn AI, but build with it. Over the course of 2 days, you will go from understanding fundamentals of Claude AI all the way to building real applications and presenting them to your peers. The morning sessions will focus on learning and exploration. You will get a proper introduction to Claude AI, walk through its interface, witness live demonstrations covering research, writing, and coding, and gain a solid understanding of the tools, plugins, and integrations that make Claude such a powerful platform. The afternoons are where things get really exciting. You will dive into a prompt engineering masterclass, one of the most sought after skills in the AI industry today, followed by a hands-on build session where you will work individually or in teams to solve a real-world problem using Claude AI. Selected teams will then take the stage to present their solutions and receive live feedback by Amrit Raj himself. There are 4 award categories to compete for: Best Project, Most Creative Solution, Best Use of AI Tools, and Best Presentation. So the competitive spirit is very much alive here. By the end of this workshop, each of you will walk away with a certificate of participation, a comprehensive resource kit packed with prompting guides, Claude tips, and recommended workflows, and most importantly, a set of skills that are genuinely relevant to the world you are about to enter. All of you need to have brought with you today is a laptop or a smartphone, access to the Claude AI on either free or pro plan, and willingness to learn and explore. If you have those 3 things, you are fully equipped to what lies ahead. So ladies and gentlemen, without further delay, let us give a warm, enthusiastic welcome to the man of the hour, our facilitator, Mr. Amrit Raj. I'd like to welcome them onto the stage. Now I'd like to present a small token of appreciation.
Perfect. Okay. Yeah. We'll do this. And one more thing. Can you ask someone to take photos from my photos and videos from my thing? Yeah. And I'll do this. This works. This is good.
Yeah, small
Perfect.
mic is also there. This is
Check,
on.
check, check. Guys, can you hear me? Okay. Nice. It's cool, huh?
Yeah.
So yeah, can someone keep taking photos and videos? Perfect. And yes. So I guess my internet is little weak, and can you help me connect my laptop? And internet also, I guess it's little slow.
They'll just connect to the mic.
So by the time I'll interact with you guys, hello everyone. Hi, very good morning to all of you. How's everyone doing? Nice? Amazing? Excited to learn? Yes? Student at the back? Yes, guys at the back? No sleeping in my class, okay? Please, I'll point you out at any time, and I'll ask you a question, random question. Cool? Is that a deal? No? Students are saying no deal, but yeah, please, I will definitely do that. Okay, and so that you are focused in my session. Okay, because I want all of you to learn. Trust me, guys. After this 3 hours of workshop and tomorrow, the way you think and the way you operate is going to totally change. Okay, I promise you that. But what is the thing from your end? I want is full focus. Okay, and I guarantee you, trust me, you will not realize the time is going. Okay, that is my promise to you. And what I want from all of you is just stay focused, have an intent. Okay, even if you feel, I have not learned anything till the day I have joined, college, I have not studied even a single bit. Okay, but still, trust me, just follow me for this 3 hours. Everything will be covered. Whatever, even if you're in third year, fourth year, I promise you, just follow me for this 3 hours and you will be sorted for your jobs, you will be sorted for your life. You'll be like, oh my God, what is he saying? Can something like that happen like this? Yeah? How many of you feel like can something like that happen in 3 hours? Yes? Okay, you don't feel, but yeah, trust me, it will happen. Trust me by my word, and I guarantee you. Okay, and if you just give me your 3 hours, it is gonna change your life. Okay, so with that, do you guys, are you guys with me? Come on, guys, let's say energy. Yes? Yes? Guys at the back? Someone is writing something on, I can see you. See, I told you I point you out. Yes? Say yes? Are you with me? Perfect. So guys, trust me, I'll point you out, okay, if you're not looking at me or chatting here or there. Yeah, I don't want you to put you in a bad light. Yeah, it will be fun. Cool. Now, talking about how many of you have heard of Claude? Yes? Most of you have heard of Claude. How many of you have heard of ChatGPT? Oh my God, very good. Now why Claude and why not ChatGPT, or why ChatGPT, why not Claude? Guys, it will be an interactive session, okay? It is not, me only talking and you only sleeping. No, it won't be like that. You have to respond to me. Cool? Who wants to know? Tell me, why Claude, or why do you prefer ChatGPT? Anyone in the crowd? Raise your hand, guys. Like, see, I won't judge you. Okay, do I look like someone who judges people? Yes? He's like, yes. No, I don't judge people. Okay, trust me, I am the last person, okay? If you make the blunder of your life also, I'll be like, okay, no worries, we'll manage. Okay, so yeah, be open. Okay, whatever comes to your mind, be open and talk about it. Because that is how you will learn. Okay, now, who wants to tell me why ChatGPT or why Claude? Come on, guys. Very good, yes. Can we have a mic over there? Please tell your name and, then. Guys, please feel free to, do I look scary?
Hello.
No, right? So yeah, feel free to talk to me, okay? That way you will learn more. Yes, please tell your name.
I am Spurti and I'm from first year. So I have used Claude not too much, but as much as I have used, I have experienced this that Claude is very intact. Then ChatGPT will give you pura dunya ka everything. But Claude is like quite exact, like to the point. I think I like Claude, that's why, and I'm attending the workshop for that. Yeah.
Perfect, perfect. Anyone else would like to add to that? Why ChatGPT or why you like Claude? Anything? Guys, anyone? I want one more answer. If you don't raise your hand, I'll pick you up. Yes? You want to tell? No? Okay. I would not put you on pressure. But okay, let me tell you guys, okay, let me make you more comfortable. Why Claude and why not ChatGPT? See, both are good tools, okay? And apart from this also, there are many other tools existing in the market, okay? But Claude specifically, as Purti said, you know what it does is it gives you more professional, okay, and more to the point answer. ChatGPT is like, you know, a college intern or, you know, someone who's free-spirited, right? It is not much professional. And talking about Claude, in the last 2 to 3 months or the last 6 months, it has improvised a lot. Okay, they have released features which helps you build PPTs, it helps you build proposals, it helps you build apps, and it helps to build demonstrations. Okay, it has become so good. And it has released features called as plugins. How many of you have heard of plugins? No, I'll tell you what plugins are. Plugins are like having a team in itself. There's a legal plugin. What do you mean by having a legal plugin? Means having my legal team of my own within the Claude. I don't have to hire lawyers. For, like, let's say I'm setting up my company, right? And I am, you know, getting in a contract with Dayananda Sagar University. So I have to frame a contract or memorandum of understanding, right, or NDA agreement. So for that, usually what I used to do, I used to contact my lawyer. He will charge me some amount, you know, and all those things used to happen. But now, with Claude, what I can do is, I can use a legal plugin. It will create a document for me. It will create a contract for me. It will create an NDA, non-disclosure agreement for me. Are you able to understand? Similarly, they have released a, what? A plugin for brand guidelines, a plugin for marketers. It will act as your entire marketing team. It will act as your entire brand team. It will act as your entire development team. Are you guys with me? So basically what they have done is they have released mini teams within the Claude, which you can use. Obviously these are in the paid versions. Okay, I will show you how I'm using the paid versions, but yeah, you will get a look at it, you know, how we can use all those things. That is why I am telling you, Claude is getting very, very good at many things. Because it is giving you your teams at a fraction of a cost. $100 mein you can get your team. $100 is how much? 10,000 rupees approximately. Right, if I'm hiring a lawyer, he will charge me 25,000 rupees for 1 or 2 contracts. That too, he's not working for me full time. Right, if I'm going to a brand agency or a marketing agency, they're gonna charge me lakhs of rupees. Right, but I'm getting that for 10,000 rupees. Let us say I exhaust my credits also. I can go for a $200 plan. That is 20,000 rupees approximately. Okay, add taxes and all, it will be 26,000, something like that. Are you able to understand? For 26,000 rupees, I am getting a marketing team, branding team, legal team, or any team I want. And plus, I can automate various tasks also. Isn't it crazy? Yes, like he's just saying, let me show you guys, okay? Now, let me just check. So now, did you get an idea why we are doing Claude and, you know, not ChatGPT? Because in today's time, in the last 6 months, Claude has become crazily good. And if I have to tell you one tool which you have to definitely use, that is Claude, I would say. Got my point? There are hundreds of tools, guys, no doubt. There is a website called as, there is AI for everything, TAFT, T-A-A-F-T. There is AI for everything. Okay, there you type for anything, you will get an AI tool for that. Okay, so there are thousands of AI tools, but do we have time for learning all the thousands of AI tools? No. But if you have to pick one super AI tool, what would you pick up? Claude. Okay, so that is why Claude and not other AI tools also. Okay, but yeah. Now, talking about, guys, so there are 2 ways of using Claude. One is you can use in the desktop. Right, here you can use in the desktop. I guess my internet is slow here. Guys, can you help me with the internet? It is slow. Yeah, internet is little slow. So yeah, anyone has any question till now? Anything that comes to your mind? Like, guys, feel free, okay? Don't be hesitant, okay? As I told you, I won't be, judging you, or I won't be, scolding you. Why did you ask this question? No, I won't do that. Okay, feel free. And I guess these days none of the teachers do that. Right? Yes. Anyone? Any questions? No? Perfect. Cool, no worries. So I'll just show you a few demos, just waiting for the internet to work up. Okay, and then we can start off with demo. Okay, any of you are working on any projects, so that I will show you something live built on that. Yes? Any startup ideas or projects you guys are working on? Anyone in the audience? Yes? Boys? Any startup idea you have? Or any project you want to build? It can be very simple also, it can be a health tracker app, or nutrition tracking app, or productivity app. Guys, anything? Yes? No? Oh, so what? Now I'll start picking up, okay? Because you guys are not responding to me. It is a fun pickup, okay? So don't you won't mind, no, if I pick you up? Just ask you a few questions. Guys, no, right? No? Hello? Yes, I can ask you questions, right? What's your name, pa? Like sitting in the center, green shirt guy. Hi. Alok. Alok, how are you doing? Excited to learn Claude? So do you think, like, you have anything you want to build using Claude, or something you would want to help, your Claude to help you with? A website. What is your name? Alok. You want to help Claude to build your website. Perfect. For what website? Anything you have in mind? Agents. Agency. What type of agency? What type of service providing? Website building or digital marketing? Digital marketing agency. Okay, he wants to build a website for digital marketing agency. So generally, if he had to build, what would have you done, Alok, generally? Perfect. You will take a prompt from Claude and give it to anti-gravity. Now, people will be like, what is anti-gravity? What is anti-gravity, Alok? Perfect. Anti-gravity is an AI coding tool of Google. But now, Alok, let me tell you, you don't have to go to anti-gravity only. You can make the website in Claude itself. Okay, and thank you, Alok. Yeah, guys, claps for Alok. Amazing, very good. See, so Alok said he wants to build a website. So before, if I had to build a website, what I have to do? I have to hire a designer. He will design the website for me, first of all, on Figma or something like that. Then I will give it to a developer, front-end developer. He will build the front-end. Then my back-end developer will be working on that. So I had to have minimum these three guys in my team. Now all this thing can be done by Claude only. So that is the level, the AI is going in. Guys, internet is working fine. I'll just check the speed. Okay. Okay. So the internet is messing up a little. Okay. Otherwise, we would have been going. But yeah, let me. Yeah, please. No, please check. I guess I'll need more speed than this. Great. Anyone else? Alok wants to work on a website. Anyone else wants to work on something? Yes? What's his name? Hello. So what do you want to work on? What's your name? Tell me. And Saket. Saket, what do you want to work on? Sorry? Writing stories. Hey, amazing, man. Great, guys. Do you think AI can help in writing stories? Great. So what type of stories you want to write, Sagar? Like, what are you interested in? Fantasy, sci-fi, or, fantasy in the realm of Indian heritage, or what type of fantasy you want to work on? Murim. Hey, tell me about it, man. I don't know about Murim. What is Murim? Got it. So you want to write stories around Murim. And is that an interest area for you? You want to publish a book going forward or make a movie or something like that? So what is the ultimate goal? Want to write a book or movie or like web novel? Amazing, guys. Such creative people are sitting in the class. Your name is? Sakit. Very good. I'll keep that in mind and we'll try to definitely incorporate it. Anyone else? Now I want some girls. Yes, any girl in the room who wants to build something? Please, from that side. Yes, girls. Anything. Please, see, I want all of you to think. If you're not thinking and just smiling, nothing will happen in life. You wanna, guys, after college, all of you want to get a job, right? How many of you want to get into jobs? Guys, raise your hands, everyone. You want to get a well-paid job, right? Do you think it will happen by not talking? Yes? What's the one most important thing which you need to get a well-paying job? Tell me. Communication. Right? And if you cannot communicate with me, trust me, you cannot communicate with anyone in the world. Right? Yes? Am I not open to talking? Yes? Right? Please tell me what idea you want to work on with AI. Please. Tell your name. Ruchita. Ruchita, you want to work on? Website. What website you want to build? You are interested in graphic designing and she wants to build a design for graphic designing so that you can provide services of graphic designing or like that? Perfect, perfect. Ruchita. Ruchita wants to build a website for creating, providing services of graphic designing. Right, again, earlier it would have taken a designer first, then a front-end developer, then a back-end developer, then everything has to be merged. Now Claude can do it. Also ChatGPT also can do it. Okay, now you know that ChatGPT is called as Codex. Coding model of ChatGPT is called as Codex. Claude is called as Claude Code, right? And anti-gravity for Google, right? And we have a lot many other things going on. Great. Anyone else? Any other girl who wants to add something? Yes, you want to say? No, behind you. You raise your hand, no? What do you want to build? Yes. Tell no, whatever comes to your mind. Animations. Very good. What's your name? Sahil. Sahil, you want to make animations for movies, for what? For movies or animated series you want to make. Perfect. Perfect. Do you think AI can help you in that? How can it help you? It can give you a idea. It can give you a, I'll tell you what I use AI for. Okay, I make a lot of videos, guys. Okay, if you go and check on my Instagram, please Sahil sit. Great, guys. Claps for Sahil, guys, everyone. See, what I do is, if you check my Instagram, all my videos are AI generated. Okay, my video avatar is AI, my audio is AI, okay, my script is AI generated. Right? And my editor stitches them all together. Okay, and I am working on an AI movie also. I showed to Shamanta ma'am as well. If time permits, I'll try to show it to you guys. Okay, let us see now. Fingers crossed, guys. Do you think it will work this time? So, sir? Yay, claps, guys. Amazing. Thank you, tech team. Wonderful job. I was scared a bit for a second. But now, perfect. Yes? We are good, guys? Perfect. So now, as I told you, in 6 hours, okay, 3 hours today, 3 hours tomorrow, the way you work is not going to be same again. Okay. Now, as I told you, why Claude? It reads everything, it builds, not just writes, it has a memory, and it feels like a experienced teammate, guys. Right? If you pay money to hire a consultant, Claude can be that expert consultant. It can be a marketing consultant, it can be a lawyer, it can be a brand consultant, it can be an engineering consultant, it can be a product manager, it can be anything you want. Business consultant. Right? If I'm starting a company, if I'm going to start a startup, what do? I do market analysis and all those things. For that, what do? I used to hire McKinsey or Bain consultant. That thing can be done by Claude. Now, perfect. All of you have opened Claude on your laptops, everyone? Yes? Please open Claude. Connect to your laptop. Open. Yes? Guys, have you guys opened Claude? Guys and girls? Yes or no? Very good. Now, do you have PDF of any of your lectures? You must be having on laptop, right? Upload that in the Claude. Come on, fast. Upload that. Any lecture PDF. You get PDFs for your lectures or no? You get? Upload one. Yes, and then type this prompt, guys. Read this entire PDF. I'll give you one more thing. Download, go to Google and download Whisper Flow. I'll just show you how. See. This thing. Go to this website, Whisper Flow. Yes. It says don't type, just speak. Okay, we'll be able to just download, guys. If you have Android or if you have Windows, you can download from here. Just download this thing. It's free tool. Yes, let me know once you have downloaded and I'll tell you how to use it. Guys, done Whisper Flow? Now I'll show you the magic. See, I have just clicked over here. Now, read this entire PDF end to end. Then build me an interactive HTML study guide as an artifact with, number 1, a 150-word plain English summary, the 10 hardest concepts as flashcards, a 15-question mock quiz with instant scoring, 4, a confidence tracker, red, yellow, green per topic. Make it production ready. I should be able to use it on my phone tonight. Okay, I just click over here. Can you see? Did you see, guys? I could have copy-pasted it. But yeah, because you don't have this prompt with you. So I was talking to it. Imagine if I had to type it, how much time it would have taken for me. Right? Try it out. Try it out again. I'll just show you the prompt. Can you see this, right? It's visible, readable. Download Whisper Flow. And what you have to do is, you have to click where you want the Whisper Flow to, start writing. Click here. Then the command which you have used, for me it is function. How many of you have downloaded Whisper Flow, guys? It's not downloading. Oh, network problem is there. Cool, no worries. So did you understand what I'm trying to say? If I have to type it out, it would have taken me much more time. Let me show you one more thing. I'll show you. Ruchita, your name is Ruchita, right? Ruchita, you wanted to build a website for graphic designing services, right? Let me show you guys how I would have done it. So I have opened, so this is Claude. I'll go to the chat and I'll tell it, hi, I want to create a website for graphic designing services. So I am a college third year student, CSC, and I want to provide, I'm good with graphic designing. I want to provide that services to anyone who needs it. It can be a YouTube channel, it can be any company. So yeah, help me design a website for this. It is usually faster than this, guys. Okay. Okay. You'll be like, ye kaisa fast hai? We'll try again. Yeah. I am Ruchita. Okay. I am Ruchita and I want to build a website for my graphic designing services. My clients are YouTube channels or any startups or micro MSME industry. Very yeah. It is faster, guys. Trust me on this. I guess there's an internet issue over here, but no worries. Disconnected. It is not, I guess, internet, there is some trouble. Run speed test, we can check. So yeah, so did you get the idea of, guys, see, hindrances will keep on coming. But is it going to stop us? At least not me. I am gonna teach you whatever I have come to teach you, okay? See, trust me on this, these are all crazy hacks. I would have had internet, no, you would have seen, how crazy it is gonna be, right? It is just, right now the internet is not working, otherwise, trust me, it is really amazing. Cool, but yeah, did you understand what I was wanting you to do, learn with Whisper Flow? So if I'm typing everything, it is like talking to a consultant. If you're going and talking to a consultant, right? My friend, what's your name? Saket. Saket, Murim, right? Saket, if Saket wants to create a Murim, hi, I'm Saket. I want to create a, web book on Murim, Korean series. Help, give me a structured plan. If I have to type it, it will take me time. But I just press one command, and you talk, it will register. You just click again, everything will be there. So I have been talking, like I work with a lot of startup founders, guys. Going forward, people won't be typing. People will be only talking to apps. This is the new wave of UI. Interface is going to change. People are going to talk to this thing. Because imagine, talking is faster as compared to typing. Yes, do you agree with me? I promise you, go home, try it out, you would see a difference. And you can write your projects, everything. How many of you type, project files and all you have to type, right? You don't have to do that. Trust me, you just press the command, you speak it out, and it understands your intentions. What do I mean by that? You say, I want to create a graphic designing website. I don't know. So all this everything gets removed. It understands, it catches only what you have to, what you mean to say. That is now, how many of you are, your question, sir, ChatGPT and Claude also have a mic? No, I can talk to that also. How many of this question? Yes? These girls were shaking their hand. Yeah, they have, no. Yes? You have this doubt? What's your name, ma'am? Anaga. Anaga has this doubt, and your friend? Pooja. Brinda. Brinda also has this doubt. There's a mic. You guys have seen that mic, right? Which you can talk to ChatGPT or Claude. How many have seen that? Guys, raise your hands. Come on, don't sleep. Internet can sleep. You can't sleep. Okay? Yes, you have seen that. So, how is it different? Whisper flow is much faster. It catches all those things. You know, all the It will catch that, and it is faster also. Once you click the mic button in Claude or ChatGPT, it takes time. Transcribing, it says. Transcribing. You know what happens is when I'm talking, what is happening? Speech gets converted to text. We call it as speech to text, STT. So that takes time. In whisper flow, that is very less. Fraction of seconds. Okay? Perfect. So yeah, definitely try it out whisper flow. It will, be a change. And we'll just wait for, internet. You guys have any doubts? Yes? No doubts? Perfect. I'll show you something cool. This is my phone, no? This is my phone, no? I'll just check if signal is coming. I'll use. I think I'll connect my phone and try. See? एक सेकंड मैं एक बार मैं अपना चेक कर लेता हूँ मेरे इस पे चल जाएगा ना तो दोनों तीनों लगाया था नहीं चल रहा है कुछ So anyone getting internet over here? Or you guys are facing problem? Guys, if you have any questions or anything you would want to discuss with me, I'm open, okay? If you have anything. No, nothing. What do you want to work on? Like, what's your name? Yes, behind Brinda. Right? What's your, yeah, you only. Aditya, what do you want to use AI for?
I would like to design a website, basically. So it is for the marketing of properties and all those.
Amazing. You want to build a real estate type of a website where you can, market your properties.
It's not only real estate; it comes in the entire field, wherein it comes the law aspect plus the construction. Everything will be included in that. It is a all-in-one, wherein you can use it for even. It works as a no broker as well as OLX. Everything comes into it.
Amazing, yeah? Great idea. So you have a real estate background or something like that?
Not much, but still,
No, you know sir, your father or family people work in real estate.
a bit of my dad.
Bit of your dad means like
Like this, he does it as a parallel.
got it. He does he has one business and parallelly real estate is also one of this thing. Amazing. What's your name?
Aditya.
Aditya. Very good. So what do you think AI can help you with this?
I can get the major coding as well as the front-end development from the AI and roughly how it looks, and then I can edit it with the help of AI as well as using my other coding sites.
Okay, what's your name? Sorry again.
Aditya.
Aditya. So guys, okay, Aditya has a. Let us try and solve a problem. Okay, why Chuma sit? Okay, I'm here, right? I'm already here. So let us try and solve Aditya's problem. So Aditya wants to build a. Aditya, focus, man. What are you? Okay, I'm solving your problem. Okay, he's talking to friend. But yeah, Aditya, see, guys, if Aditya wants to create a real estate solution, one-stop solution, where you can rent a flat, buy a flat, or builders can come and build a flat or register their flat. So if I have to solve this problem, how do I go about it? Aditya, what will be the first step, guys? Or anyone would like to tell me what's the first step of solving this problem? I want you to start thinking from a solving a problem perspective. Yes, anyone? Yes. Either you only tell me what is the first step?
People wanted to register, so we can give a one-time registration wherein they could just register and log in, and then they can get the access for everything.
This is fourth or fifth step, I would say.
Okay.
Tell me more, guys. Like Aditya is saying, if I have to build this website, what I will do is I will have to build a backend first. Okay, that is heavy thing. Something else. What should we do first? Yes, guys? Anyone? Please think. See, thinking is the most important thing. Demo, internet, everything will come back. But I want you to think. Yes? Sushmita, right? What's your name? The first. What's your name, Pa? Spurti. Spurti, what do you think? Like, how should we solve, Aditya's problem? What should be the first step? Yes, Spurti, please. I think we'll have to manage with this for today. Like, I do have, like, you want me to? No, but internet, this thing is not related to this, no? That is my system. Yeah, I was trying my hotspot also. I guess internet is little, generally my hotspot works when the internet is not working. Airtel signals are, I guess, weak. Cool, no problem. Things. Just check. So guys, I have given this prompt. We will see if it is working or not. By the time we can brainstorm. Yes, Purti, tell me.
I'm not sure directly how to approach it, but I think his problem is about real estate, right? So he can first check out the real-time data of how it's going on, and then list out everyone's business strategies, and then compare it with what his idea is. And
Very good. Aditya, did you listen? So basically we have to do a research first, guys. If you're solving any problem, what is the first step? Is research. Now, you might not be very, well versed with the problem also. See, because you guys are all just second, third, fourth year students, right? Just out of college, right? Or in the college. So, you're not well aware of the problem only. Because someone who has worked in the real estate for 10 years has more knowledge than you guys, yes or no? So, you don't know the problem also. So, if I was Aditya, what would I do is, I would, yeah, it says, hi Raj, I don't see a PDF. Let me give it a PDF. So I had, created a PDF, right? Now once, let me know guys if it gets uploaded, okay? Now, so what is happening? So I have to do a research. So what I will do, I will go to Claude, I will switch on the Whisper file, say, hey, I want to create a one-stop solution for real estate in India, and basically it's like no broker and OLX, the same words which you told me. You are not clear about your problem much, right? But I will put like that. And then I would say, ask me 5 questions about the problem which will help you understand it better. So what will Claude do now? It will ask 5 more questions to Aditya. Like, is there any area where you want to do this real estate thing? Or are you going to be from the builder side, or are you going to be, from the purchaser side, right? And in the beginning, what all features you want to provide in the website. Basically, it will ask you 5 questions. Trust me, I would have shown it to you. We will do Aditya's problem, okay? Yeah. So let me upload this. In this prompt, what did I say? There's a PDF, okay? Build an interactive HTML app which has 150-word plain English summary, 10 hardest concepts as flip flashcards, a 15-question mock quiz with instant scoring, a confidence tracker, red, yellow, green per topic. Make it production ready. I should be able to use it on my phone. You can do it for any of your PDFs, guys. Okay. Actually, I had made it yesterday only, okay, because I was having a sixth sense that internet will not work. But yeah, can you see this thing? This is built by Claude. So there is a summary, 150-word summary. Then there is flashcards. Trust me, at my home, it made it in 2 minutes. I just gave it one prompt. I uploaded a PDF, any PDF. It could be your Python class, or it could be your mechanics class. It could be your any physics class, maths class. It will create a flashcards for you. I can ask, what does craft stand for? Craft is basically a prompting framework. What is a prompt? How do I talk to the AI? That is called as prompt, the message I put into the AI. So whenever you are putting any message, guys, into the AI, you have to follow a craft framework. What is craft? C for context. What do you mean by context? Telling it more information, giving it more information about what you are trying to do. For example, Aditya is trying to build a real estate app. So I have to give it more, information. What is the real estate app about? Okay, is it for consumers? Is it for builders? Or is it for compliances for the government? Or what is it for? Or if you have any document prepared for that, you can upload to that. That is basically giving it more context. Let us say I am a third-year computer science student. I have a Python exam coming up. Help me prepare this thing. So you can, upload your Python files and everything, and it can help you prepare notes for you. Now, it's like a flashcard, guys. I can click it. It is telling me context, role, ask, format, tone, the 5-part framework that turns vague prompts into specific usable outputs. Then there is chat versus co-work. What is the difference? Okay, I'll tell you. So basically, it can create all these flashcards for you. Then there's a quiz also. Claude is best described as a search engine that can give you links, and an AI assistant that have conversation with. Yes? It's an AI assistant that can. Are you able to see? This was built by just one prompt, and I uploaded a PDF. Are you able to see, guys, what I'm trying to say? Okay, let me see if I can build Aditya's app. It is slow, actually. But I guess you have pretty much got the idea what it can do, right? Yes, guys, raise your hands, everyone. Yes, did you get a good idea? Yes, raise your hands, or if you have any doubts, I will still stay here. You got an idea? Spurti's friend, what's your name? Sushmita. Why SS people sit together? Yes? Sorry, my bad jokes. I'll keep cracking bad jokes, please bear with me, because you guys are not smiling only, but yeah. Yes? Guys, everyone, did you understand what I'm trying to communicate over here? I'm definitely not able to show a demo, but yeah. Sir, did you understand? Perfect. So this is what we can do. I can also ask it to build a tracker app, student tracker app. If I was teacher, I would say, help me prepare a student tracker app. This is the list of students in my class. This is the assignment I have given to them, right? And help me create a grading matrix. And I don't have to evaluate it one by one also. I will say, this is the Google Drive where all the students have to upload your assignments. And you will upload there. What will happen? I'll say, after they have uploaded, grade them. It can grade, create an Excel sheet, and done. My work as a professor is done. Interesting? Interesting, guys? Guys at the back? Perfect. So guys, see, it has created, very good, I guess it has worked. Yes, so because I had given it a mastering Claude workbook, so it has created this thing. This is a summary, then this is flashcard, quiz, tracker. Did you see, guys? It made this entire thing. It is working. I'll show you flashcard. See, it flips. Question number 2, there's an answer. Question number 3, there's the answer. There's a code. This is the entire code behind it. How much time it would have taken me to do something like this? Right? Now let me do Aditya's problem. I want to build a real estate app, one-stop solution for everything. Ask me questions for more clarification and help me build this. See, did you see how fast it caught up? Yes? Now it is, cooking up. Perfect. By the time it is, working, let me show you the interface of Claude, because all of you can see my screen, right? So this is a browser app. Okay, here you can see start a new chat. Number 2 is search. You can search a chat history. Previous chat history, you can go and search from there. Then there is customize, guys. Okay, now, like Aditya, it is asking, Aditya, focus. It is asking, which market are you building this for? Aditya, tell me. India's specific cities, India nationwide, global, international, others. Global. Very good. From first day, we are going global. Very good. Good approach. Now, next, who's the primary user you are designing for first? Aditya, keep sitting and tell ya. No, see now options, just see the options here. It is asking, you don't have to tell it. It is asking. Most of the time I told you, we don't know the problem only. It is helping me understand the problem, my problem. Now, buyers and renters, sellers and landlords listing properties, real estate agents or brokers, or all of the above?
All of the above.
Very good. What stage are you at right now? Just an idea, nothing built yet. Yes? Now, it is going to tell me more. See guys, AI is not just to build. AI is also to make you think. Aditya, do you agree? You have thought more about this problem in my 15-minute session than you have ever thought about it?
Yeah.
You have more clarity than before you attended this session?
Okay.
Yes?
Yeah.
Guys, do you agree? It is not about just building out of it. It is about building yourself. You also have to think. AI is making you think also. The better you are, the better you will be able to use AI. Are you able to understand? If I am dumb, if I am not learning anything, if I cannot answer these questions, okay, it is not from the first point only you have to know all the answers. You can guess. We didn't know what we wanted to do. See, again, it is asking me more questions. It is making me what? Think, right? Guys, please, spirits up, okay? Anything happens, internet can go down, earthquake can come, fire can happen, nothing will, I will not go out of here, okay? We will do. Yes, I will make sure you learn something. Now, what does one-stop solution mean to you? Pick everything you want included at launch. Aditya, my friend. Aditya is like, why did I open my mouth only? Yeah? But yeah, it is fun, right?
No,
it is fun or not,
everything.
guys? Aditya, is this fun?
You can include everything.
Hey, first tell me, it is fun.
Yeah.
Right, good. Now, but read out at least, guys. As I told you, it should not be like, include everything. We have to read. We have to think. Do I want property search listing? Yes. Do I want buy and sell transaction? Yes. Do I want rent and lease? Yes. Okay. Investment ROI analytics. ROI is return on investment. Interior design, home service, legal documentation, home loans, agent broker. Yes, I want all of this. Next, what is your monetization plan? Aditya, you want to charge agents, broker a listing fee, take a percentage commission on transactions, subscription plan for premium users, ads and lead generation? No, not decided yet. Before this, did you know you can monetize it in this many ways? Aditya?
Yeah, I knew it.
Very
but
good.
I want is only subscription plans for premium user and the percentage for commission. Only
Subscription plan for premium users. Okay, I think we'll start with one. Okay. If you want, I would have wanted, I could have gone back, but I'm not doing that. Now, do you have a tech background or will you need a no-code, low-code approach?
Need an approach.
Sorry?
I need an approach.
No, which approach? I'm a developer. I want to vibe code with AI tools. Vibe coding is not knowing coding, just talking and coding, okay? No code tools like Bubble or Webflow, or need guidance on what approach to pick.
Need guidance.
You
in
need
what
guidance?
approach.
Let's go ahead. You wanted to do, what's the Nurim guy? Nurim Sagar, right? Nurim, you want to do Nurim, right? Sagar. Sagar, are you able to understand how you will solve your problem with this? You will tell the first thing, then ask, give me 5 questions to do this. I want to start a web book in Nurim, a Korean series. Give me 5 questions so that I can start with it. Then it will ask question, then you answer it. It will ask you, it will make you think about it. Yes, guys? Like that, you can do? Yes? Spurti, you think you can work like that? You can work on your problems with this? Perfect. This is a more structured approach. Now it is saying, okay, full picture now. This is essentially a Zillow, Airbnb, LegalZoom, House, lending free rolled into one for a global market with subscription monetization, and you are starting from zero with no tech background yet. I want to be straight with you before you dive in. Building all 8 features simultaneously is the fastest way to build nothing. It's saying you are taking too many things at once. Right? It is warning us. You want to do 8 things, it can lead to nothing. The good news is I can help you design the full vision and smart face approach, so you actually in the market within months, not years. Let me show you the full product architecture first, then we'll talk tech and build strategy. Does it make sense? It warned Aditya, hi Aditya, don't run so fast. If you're planning to build all the 8 features, you might end up building nothing also. Right? If I had been at Aditya's place, what I would have done now, see, I know Zillow, I know Airbnb, I know LegalZoom, House and Lending Tree. What I would do, I would go and Google it. What is, see, Airbnb so we know. What is Zillow? I have not heard of it. I will check out what Zillow does. I will check out what LegalZoom does. I will check out what House does. I will check out what Lending Tree does. So what am I doing? I am upskilling, I am learning. Now I know these 5 tools will help me do my project. Right or no? Then what is the other thing? What else can I do? Guys, please now brainstorm. What else I can do? Yes, my friend, what's your name? Sahil. Yes, Sahil, tell me what can I do apart from this? Anything. Can I tell it? Give me a market analysis of such products which already exist in the market. Can I because it is now building something for me. It is giving me architecture. But can I tell it? Give me a market study about such products which already exist in the market. Will it help me, Sahil? Will it help our friend Aditya? Yes? Very good. Please sit down. Guys, are you able to understand? So, I can ask it to do research also for me. Okay. Now, I can ask it to do research also for me. So, I'll tell you what steps I take if I am building a project. First thing I'll do is, I'll say, I am building a app. I am building a real estate app. Help me do a market analysis for this. Then it will ask me questions and all these things it will do. Then I will say, what are the top 5 features, the top competitors, because you need to understand competitor, what are they doing? Competitors, 5 features, what they are doing, what I should do. Then I will go about that. Then I will say, give me a full production plan. Okay, full production plan starting from what? Starting from idea to launch. It will give me a full master plan. So guys, these first things are not to execute. These first things are to educate myself. This first plan, production plan, first architecture, what it is going to show, right? And anything else, that is all to educate me. Guys, let us see what it has given me. Phase 1, it says property search and listing. If you are going to go build it, what we will do first property search and listing, rent, lease and management. Then in the phase 2, we will do agent, broker and all these things. And phase 3, we will do this thing. Why this phasing makes sense? It is telling Aditya, don't build all the features at once, just go in a step-by-step approach, right? Next. Now what to tackle next? I can go deep on any of these. Just tell me which one is the most pressing. You can talk about full feature for phase 1. Full feature means what all features I should have in property search and listing and rent and lease management. Guys, are you able to understand? It is giving me documents to read. Otherwise, I would have been searching Google without anything in end. Yes? Are you able to understand the approach, what I am trying to say? Perfect. Now it is telling me I can do this. It is telling me Bubble.io build plan with step-by-step guide. How many of you know what is Bubble.io? Guys, Bubble, how many of you have used Bubble? No one? It's a website builder app. Okay, drag and drop website builder app. So it helps you build websites. Then subscription pricing strategy or paywall logic. Do you want to what? Know about how do you charge? What is the logic behind that? We can do that as well. Or it says competitor analysis. You want to do competitor analysis? I was telling, no, I would have done a competitor. It is saying I can do that for you. The agent broker acquisition strategy for launch. I can help you give an acquisition strategy for acquiring brokers to come and list on my platform. Guys, are you able to understand? I can run all these 5 things one by one, and I will read through the document. What is it giving me? Understanding of my problem. It is making me more educated. Right? And how much time did it take me? Within 1 hour, I was able to do that. If I have to search it individually, I will have to hire someone, tell me what to do, right? All this thing is done very fast. Guys, interesting, crazy or not? Crazy? No. Huh? Boys at the back, girls at the back? Yes, interesting? Yeah, yes? Very good. Great. Let me take you through the interface which I was doing, then we will work on some other interesting problems as well. So guys, if you see, this is the search which you can search. Customize. What do you mean by customize? Customize means you can connect your apps also. I can connect my, I can connect my Gmail, Google Drive, right? I can connect all these apps. Superhuman is an email app, okay? I can connect my Notion, I can connect my designing tool Figma, I can connect Microsoft 365, I can connect Canva. Are you able to understand? So I can bring all my designs. Let's say Aditya had made a website design on Canva. He can bring that to Claude, and Claude will code it for him. You can customize it. It can give all the context. For example, see, who am I? I'm an entrepreneur, I'm an educator, I'm a social media strategist, right? So if I'm creating a plan, okay, social media plan, social media growth plan for a company, I'm consulting a company, okay, so what would I do? I will take my client's website and I'll put it on this thing. That is context I'm giving it. And I'll say, help me design a growth plan. Then it will ask me 5, 4 questions and I can go about it. Yes, interesting guys? So you can connect this thing, okay? You can add skills and you can add plugins. Now what are skills? Skills are, guys, basically a set of instructions which can be repeatable. What are skills? Set of instructions which are repeatable, so that I don't have to repeat that instructions again and again. I'll give you an example. So I have made a skill called as content generation skill. So this is my Claude app. So what it does is, let me show you the This is my guys Claude app. How Claude app and web browser are different is basically in the Claude app you have chat like the browser, then you have co-work. What is this co-work? Co-work, basically this co-work can work in my laptop for me. It's like an agent. My browser cannot work in my laptop. This thing, the co-work, can work in my laptop, excuse me, in a folder. For example, let's see, I want it to work in a folder called as reports. Reports, I'll say allow. What's the reports, guys? Reports is a folder I'll show you on my desktop. If you can see, can you see this is a reports folder? Can you see it is inside a folder? There's a reports folder. I open it. What is inside this? Inside this is data of 3 companies. There's one company called as Glow and Company. Glow and Company is a skincare company. Then there is Glow and Petal. This is also a skincare company. Now this folder is where? It is on my laptop. Now what will I do is, I'll ask Claude to give me a complete comparative analysis of both of the PDFs present inside this folder. So inside the folders, let me tell you, there are 2 companies data present. What data? Their inventory data, their social media spend data, what products are performing well, that data is there inside that. Okay, let me show you again what data is present inside that. Yeah, can you see, guys? This is the reports folder. I open it. Glow and Company. There's one company called as Glow and Petal. Right, I open it. Inside that, you can see this is the data. What data is there? It is customer and growth report. Can you see there are a lot of numbers? Right, one. Then there is inventory and operations report. Right. Then there is marketing and performance report. So there are many reports. Similarly, for Glow and Petal also there are 4 reports like that. Now what I have to do, if I have to sit at it, I have to go through each and every data and get what should I say, get insights from that. What is working, what is not working, where should I put my money, where should I not put my money. Right. Now this co-work is gonna do it for me. What did I tell you? What did I tell co-work? Go inside the report, give me a complete comparative analysis of PDF present inside the folder. I have run it. Now, you will be like, sir, I could have copied the PDF and put it inside the browser and got the same results. Yes or no? Yes or no? But in that case, I would have to put it one by one PDF, second PDF, third PDF. Now, what is this co-work helping me to do? I don't have to, copy paste anything. It will just go inside my folder and start working, searching from there and start working. Okay, so that is co-work for you. Co-work also, yes, co-work can also help you, do task in a scheduled manner. For example, if you can see, this is my AI briefing. So what happens, what I have told my Claude is to go every morning, search the web for the top 10 AI news and give me the details about it. So if you can see, it does it every day. It has given me rundown of, these are the 10 top news. This is April 18th, this is April 17th, April 16th, April 15th. So every day it searches news for me and gives me a report about it. So every morning, because I create a lot of content around AI, so every morning what I have to do, I have to go there and tell it, search the web and get me top 10 AI news. So and I've asked it to verify it also, because most of the time it can be wrong as well, so I've asked it to verify also, so it verifies also. So all that instructions I have to repeat every day morning. So what did I do? I created a skill. I said, create a skill which helps me to get top 10 AI news every morning. So it has done that for me. Are you able to understand, guys? I can open it in my Google Drive. I connect my Google Drive also to that. I can go and check it out. Interesting. So this is just one thing which I was able to do. How many of you think, creating skill is going to be difficult? How many of you think like that? Yes? Is it difficult or easy? Like, I told you what skill I created, right? What do you think? It will be easy to create this skill or difficult? Yes? Yes, my friend, what's your name? Anas. Anas, what do you think? It will be easy for it to create or like? Easy, right? I'll tell you how to create. It's like just talking to AI. I can create a skill by, see, can you see this is the, it has given me top 10 AI news. Right? Now I'll tell you how to create skill. I'll go to a new task. I'll say any skill you want to create. Stock market news every morning. Huh? We can do? I'll tell you. See, help me create a skill that fetches me Indian stock market news every day in the morning. It should be verified reports. I also want a global perspective on how global markets are performing, and I want specific focus on banking industry and the IT industry. Right? What did I say? Help me create a skill. Now, let's go. Please sit Anna, sit. See, it is gonna create a skill. Are you what is a skill, guys? Skill is a set of repeatable instructions which it would have to do again and again. So instead of doing that, what you can do, you can just ask it to do a, create a skill so that you don't have to type it again and again. Interesting? So apart from that, there are a lot of pre-built skills also, guys. If you can see. Yeah, we can do. I'll just show this thing and then we can share. Okay, that is why I was thinking it's very hard. But yeah, we'll do. Just give me 5 minutes. I'll just show this thing and then we can go. So guys, if you can see, if you want to do skills, okay. So basically, where is skill? I was showing you the interface, right? This is Claude app. Once you go inside the app in the paid plan, right? You go inside the customize. Here you can. This is chat. Please understand, guys. Please focus. In the app, this is chat. This is co-work. This is Claude Code. So these three things are there. So here also you can go. You can go to customize. Go to skills. Right? In the skill, you can add skill. You can browse new skills. Let us see what all skills are there. There's canvas design skill. There's a skill creator skill. There's a skill which can help you create a skill. Okay. Then there is web artifact, MCP builder. Like that, you can have multiple skills. Okay. Did you understand? If you want to create a skill, you have to install the skill creator skill. Skill to create a skill. You have to install that. Create. So where did we go? Okay, we were there in co-work, right? We were creating this thing. Guys, see. Anas, it is asking me, would you prefer upgrade existing skills or build a new skill? Because I had built this already. I'll say build a new skill. Same depth as banking? Yes. For global markets, I want US market, Asian market, European and macro cues. So basically it is creating skills. Do you understand skills, guys? I want all of you to understand what skill is. Right? If you are a graphic designer, what I will do is I will create a skill for graphic designing. If I'm a storyteller, what I will do is I will create a skill for storytelling. So that I don't have to repeat it again and again. Okay? I guess we will continue in the other room. Yeah? We can go now. And I guess by the time it will be ready also, I'll show it to you. Okay? We can go? Yeah, sure.
We're so sorry again. We did not expect this.
No, it's still, it's okay.
Call that IT guy to
It's very hard. No, we are good. I'll take. No, same room. The nearby room. I see. Yeah. No, no, no. It is different thing type. Yeah, yeah, I know. But it's okay, no problem. We were able to manage. No, no, we were able to manage. Yeah. But once they see it actually working, right? Yeah. No, no problem. They tell us. Yeah, yeah. No, no. Yeah. Okay. Nice. You're in which year? First year. So did you today? You just came. Oh, oh very late. But anyways. Ha ha ha. So those people are coming here or like? We'll see you. What's your name? Anisha. Tanisha. Nice meeting you, Tanisha. We'll talk later after the session. Okay? Yeah, it is fine, no? No, okay. I'll just come from. I'll go to washroom. Yeah. This way, what you can do is you can keep building skills, depending on your skills. Who you want to build some skills? Can't think of it. It is asking which language should the question target. Harsh? What does the difficulty mix feels right for you? Tell me, easy, medium, medium, one hard, random mix across easy, medium, hard. Okay. What's the main goal? So pick the right rotation. Interview prep. Interview prep. Now it is gonna build a skill for you. Good. Perfect. Now I was taking this as the interface guide. You can see. Let me tell you one more very interesting thing. Something called as inside the customize only connectors. When you connectors, connectors are basically you can connect your Figma, Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, Notion, or anything. Right? Apart from that, when you come to your work, okay, customize. You have all these. Brand plugin is collection of 5 right? And engineering plugin is collection of all these created architecture for you, code, structured user instances, pre-deployment right and maintain technical documentation, incident response workflow. Are you able to understand? Basically, instead of hiring a team of engineers, you can use this plugins as your entire engineering. But guys, if some of you are into marketing, right? Towards I can mark it as what you should have. Connector, C connectors MD. So it is basically C. What's the input? Gather the following from the user if provided, ask before proceeding. If I'm using this SEO audit, what will it ask me? It will ask me, domain of a website which I'm doing a SEO audit. You know what is SEO basically? Guys, you know what is SEO? I'm doing SEO. SEO is basically search engine optimization. Basically, let's say if I'm searching for a home in HSR layout, so whatever has the best SEO will come to my this thing first. That is what SEO optimization means. So if I have to optimize my website so that whenever Hirsch is searching my website or Hirsch is searching for something, my website should come at the top. I should optimize it for SEO. This is what this skill is gonna help me with. Guys, are you able to understand these skills? Plugin is collection of skills. So my productivity has all these skills: memory management, start, task management, update. If I want to, engineering has basically what skills does it have? It has architecture, code review, it can do debug, deploy checklist, documentation, stand-up, everything. Legal, what skills does it has? It has compliance check, legal response, legal risk assessment, meeting briefing, review contract, signature. I'll tell you one interesting fact. The day they launched this legal plugin, right, stocks across US, all the legal company which provide these services, their stocks plummeted. Why? Because Claude can do this. You understand? Earlier I used to have a member of 10 lawyers. Now one lawyer can use Claude and do this work. Guys, are you able to understand? This is the power of product management. If I want to be into product management, these are the skills it has. What all connectors it is using? It is going to use all these connectors. I can install this and my team will be ready to do. So plugins is what? Plugins is collection of skills and connectors. Skills you can create individually also, but otherwise if you're a big company, I would say you should use plugins. These are all under paid plans, but yeah, work wonderfully well. I'll tell you what I use it for. Let me show you some crazy stuff. Okay. How I use it in my day-to-day life. So all my Instagram videos, guys, are all AI generated. My Instagram ID, guys. Feel free to follow me. I put a lot of AI videos, a lot of AI tools, trends, news, and everything I produce over here. Now, can you check this thing? Before this expansion, if you spoke Hindi, Tamil, Telugu or Bengali, your Duolingo options were basically one: learn English. That's it. Now you can learn Spanish, French, Korean, Japanese, Mandarin, German and Italian directly in your mother tongue. 28 new courses built specifically for Indian learners. Here's the wild part. Each one of those courses used to take a small team years to build from scratch. Duolingo CEO said it himself. Their first 100 courses took 12 years. 148 courses under 12 months, all powered by generative AI. And here's what this actually means beyond the numbers. A student in a tier 3 city in Bihar. Okay, so on Friday, Anthropic launched Claude Design and Figma's stock dropped by 7% the same day. Here's what it does. You type what you want. Build me a landing page for a fintech app, blue and white, minimal. And it builds it. You tweak it by talking to it. Change this button, move this section, make the hero bolder. That's the workflow now. No artboards, no layers panel, and no learning design systems for 3. I'll tell you one interesting fact, guys. See, now here you see the lip sync is off. Right, but check on your phone, the lip sync is perfect. This I realized recently only, because whenever I play it on laptop, right, see, many things you learn while working on it. Right, on my phone, you can check on phone also, now lip sync will be perfect. Okay, but because it's a bigger screen, it is not working fine. So after you go home, check it out. So I'll tell you an interesting fact about this. My avatar is AI, the scripting is done by AI, the audio is AI. Only my editor, what I do is I generate my avatar, my video. First I generate audio, then I give it to my avatar. I generate avatar, then my editor merges the two and adds the B-roll between this. So earlier what used to happen is if I have to make a video, I have to set up the entire studio. I have to bring in lights, I have to bring in my cameraman, okay, I have to set up everything, I have to get ready and sit in front of it. Now, what happens is I can put out 3 to 4 videos every day. Before I was able to do one video and the cost was also high because my camera team, light team, everything has to come. Here, what I do, I just upload the script, upload the audio. Audio also, it generates on itself. I'll just show you how I do it. So, did you guys see, I got an AI briefing, right, today morning. I just open it. Let us say, I'm gonna take this one. Let me take the yesterday one. Yesterday I got this, this thing. Let us say, let's say I want to run Stanford. Actually, I'll say open this link. Open it over here. Yeah, this is the thing now. What I'll do is I just copy this. I'll copy. Guys, please focus what I'm doing. I'll go to chat or wherever, or over. I'll say this. I'll say run content pipeline engine on this. So basically what happens, every story, I make a YouTube long video, I make a YouTube short video, okay, I write a LinkedIn post on it. So every time what I used to have to do, I have to put the story and say, give me a YT script for this, give me a LinkedIn post for this. Now I have told it, run content pipeline engine on this. Now what is this skill does for me? It first of all checks the story, whether it is right or not. It will give me sources, this is verified or not. Number two, it will make a YT long video script. It will give me an Instagram short script, and it will give me a LinkedIn post also. It will give me Instagram caption, it will give me YT title as well. I have to understand, from one, I just pasted it, I told it to run the engine pipeline, and I'm getting all these 5-6 outputs out of it. Guys, are you able to understand how efficient it has made me? Otherwise, I have to copy paste again and again. Now let it work for a while. If you have any doubts, you can keep asking me, guys. If you have any doubt, I am open to that. Yes? No doubts? Is it interesting or not? At least. Did you learn how to think about a problem and how to approach it today? Yes, guys? Guys at the back? Guys and girls at the back? Yes? So, by the time it is doing, let me show you how I do it. So, after it has given me a script, right? Generally, a script looks something like this. I'll just show it to you. See, generally a script, looks like this, a hook or something like this, okay? So, I just copy this. This is the body. I put it in 11 labs. This is 11 labs. I have trained my audio on this, okay? I have put 2 to 3 hours of audio on 11 labs. What I do is, I just go here. Guys, can you see this content pipeline has completed? Let us say research, brief and verification. It did a research on the story which I gave it to, and it did a verification also. What did it verify? Confirmed across all multiple sources. Stanford HAI 23 AI Index released April 13. Okay, it says 4 in 5 university students now use generative AI. 4 out of 5 universities students are using generative AI, and organization adoption reaches 88%. Organizations are using it by this percent. Okay, so it has done a lot of research, and it is giving me YouTube long script, 8 to 10 minute script. This is just a script, guys. I can go, it is production ready script. It is just timestamp and everything. Then it has given me YouTube short script. Then it has given me Instagram caption. It has given me LinkedIn post. Right? All of this thing with just one thing. Now what I do generally is I just copy this. So basically what I do is I just this is the steps I follow. I create a script, I put it on 11 Labs, it gives me audio, I take that audio and put it in Agent. Agent is a tool which helps you create videos. I have an avatar over there. You just give it 2 minutes of your video, it will create an avatar of you. All those things you saw now, it is my avatar. So the audio you get, so the avatar will lip sync according to the audio. Okay, I'll get an avatar video, then I merge the two and I create the full video of it. Yes? Yes, guys, we are almost reaching the end over here. If you have anything. What I do is I remove this thing. I remove this thing. I remove the hooks. I select the voice. The voice I use is news. This is my voice, okay? So I'll just generate the speech now. It's usually faster with my internet because here it is slow, but yeah. The country that built AI. The country that built AI is ranked 24th in using it. Stanford. The country that built AI is ranked 24th in using it. Stanford. Does it sound like me, guys? Right now my throat is gone. But yeah, otherwise it sounds like me. So once you hear I get this script, the audio within seconds. Here it is taking time because the internet is slow, but otherwise I get it in seconds. Then I download it. Okay. Then what I do is I put it here. Avatar videos I go. But I hope you understood the entire process. Right? So this is how I speed up my production. Otherwise it would have taken me a lot more time. Okay. Now, you guys have anything to ask as of now, any problem you would want to work with me? Or, and tomorrow, guys, tomorrow is a build day. Tomorrow is a build day. What I want all of you to do is come up with a problem. Okay, like Aditya wants to work on a real estate app. Right? We would work on that. Otherwise also, guys, I want all of you to pick one problem. Okay, I will give you 60 seconds and tomorrow we will make sure, Shiksha, we can have a better internet, right, tomorrow. So we will make sure you get a better internet. Everyone bring your laptops, okay, work in groups. You can work in groups also, not more than 3, okay. skills as well. But otherwise also, if you are from pharma, one engineer can join them. If you are from other, other branch, you want to join with some engineers, you can make those groups also and try to identify one problem, right, which you would want to work on. Okay, and everyone, I would want a group of, Shiksha, we can keep a group of how many people? Perfect. So how can we, should we ask them to categorize themselves, or we want to do it yourself? Perfect. So Shiksha is saying, like, guys, they will create groups. Okay, but what I would want you all to go home and do is come prepared with a problem you would want to work with. Come prepared with a problem or a, this thing, a app idea or a startup or anything you would want to be working out. You had something in your mind, or you can work on your project also, right? Your final year project or your third year project or any subject project also, right? And any life skill also. Yeah. Yeah, cool. Yeah. So, 2 days, right? It is still fun. I guess we'll close it and then we can. No, it is still fun. Tomorrow is from 10 to 1. It is already 12:30. So I can continue for half an hour and then we can kick off here. Right? Till 1. Tomorrow also till 10 to 1. Half an hour. Good. Perfect. Cool, guys. So I want to show a few more demos. Uh, Basically, it will help you with, placements, right? So how do you generally prepare for placements these days, guys? How do you prepare for placements? Like if placement is coming, how do you prepare for that? We don't know how to prepare for that. I'll tell you how generally we used to prepare. Basically, colleges do have, this thing, placement cells, right? They will tell you a company is coming, let's say Microsoft is coming or a Google is coming, right? They will give you a JD, job description, and ask you to prepare for it, right? So generally we used to do is we used to go to a topper, ask him, or seniors, what type of question did they ask you, or Google, right? Or Google, what type of question does Microsoft ask, or what type of questions does Google ask, right? We used to do that. So now, instead of doing that, what I can do right now is this thing. I can copy this, start a new chat, and I can just say, I am a final year BTech CS student applying for a product management internship in FinTech. FinTech is a company, okay, FinTech company. Basically finance, they are related to building in something in finance and tech in Bangalore. I have built 2 projects, intern at a D2C brand. What is a D2C brand, guys? Direct to consumer brand, like a skincare or, a toaster or something like that. Which is you are a healthy snack, all these things come under D2C brand. I led the tech club also. Role, I told you craft framework. First is context, then next is role. You are a senior placement officer who has reviewed 5,000 plus student resumes. Guys, please, are you able to understand? If I give it a vague prompt, I'm telling you, you are a placement officer, senior placement officer who has given this thing. Okay, now you have to solve. Then, ask, rewrite my resume for a product manager internship using the JD below. What am I asking? I am asking the AI to rewrite my resume also. I'll upload my resume and I can ask it to rewrite. Format, I can tell it format also 1 page, ATS friendly. You know what is ATS friendly, right? Application tracker system, okay? So basically they screen your resumes. Bullet with strong action, verbs, quantified, tone, confident, specific, achievement focused, no buzzwords. Guys, see, these prompts I will share with you, okay? Like we will email you, I'll share with Shiksha and she can share it with you. All the prompts which I believe would be helpful for you. You can use all those things. Otherwise also, do you have a question, sir? I don't know what all these things are, ATS, friendly, bullet, strong. You know, I won't be able to write a good prompt like this. How many of you think like that? Yes? What if, like, you will give me 5, 6 prompts, but what if I'm not able to write such good prompt? So what I do is, basically it is called as meta prompting. Asking AI to write a prompt for me. Basically asking AI only to write a prompt. I am a computer science 4th year student and I am preparing for my interviews. Tomorrow Microsoft is coming to my college and their job opening is for product management role, internship. Help me prepare for this interview, ask me any relevant questions you have. This you would be able to talk, right? This much you would be able to do, right? Now it will ask you questions. Exciting. Microsoft PM internship is a great shot. Before I build a prep plan, let me ask you a few quick things so I can make it actually useful for you. Yeah. How much time do you have to prepare before the interviews, guys? Yes? Anyone wants to add? What's your name, Pa? You only. What's your name? Milind. Milind, how much time do you think? All day or tomorrow? Plus tomorrow morning? Yes? Few hours. Okay, let's say a few hours. What's your current PM knowledge level? Beginner we are. What do you want to focus on most? Product design, case questions, behavioral HR questions, technical questions, resume and intro. Now, because Milind has said he has only few hours, it is just telling you all, you cannot do everything in few hours. Choose one specific. But if you had told it, if you have 2 or 3 days, you would have to prepare all these things. Before this, Milind, did you know that all these things exist? No, right? But it has given you something. It makes you think that all these things, are you more knowledgeable than before this prompt? Right? I was just talking to you casually, right? So what do you want to prepare, Milind? Behavioral HR questions. Now basically you can ask it to prepare your entire study plan for your any interview. Right? You can ask it. Earlier I will tell you, see, 6 months, 1 year before, right? Your prompt had to be very strong. Right? You have to definitely follow craft framework. But in the last 6 months, what happened? The models have become so mature, so evolved, they understand your intentions. Why are you asking this question? So now you can have a conversation with them. That is why I wanted you to install WhisperFlow, because it is like talking to me or talking to an expert like that. Are you able to understand? How many of you are going to go home and download WhisperFlow, guys? Yes? It is a wonderful tool. Trust me, it can help you write your assignments, everything. If you give digital assignment, it can just talk to it and it will start writing for you. Now, see, it has given me 8 questions. Tell me about yourself. This is behavior. Tell me about a time you led something without formal authority. Tell me a time you failed. What did you learn? Tell me a time. These are all behavioral questions. Okay. Now I'll tell. It's saying, R1, write bullet points, star notes for 4 to 5 stories from your life, college projects and all these things. Maybe star is a framework, I believe. Right? Now let me change it. I have the interview is postponed. Now I have 1 week to prepare. Give me a 1 week's preparation plan. So it will give me a 1 week preparation plan. So basically, earlier what you would have done, you would have Googled everything. Okay, Microsoft is going top 5 questions asked in Microsoft interview. Questions asked in Microsoft PM interview. You would have done. Now you're getting ready-made. You will have to pay someone to do this thing, right? Your seniors will not give you time, but you can see the big picture first. Understand what is PM, right? Milind, we should understand what is PM. What PM does only we didn't know, right? We will understand that. It's like build your story back. You have to, in the interview, you have to tell stories, where you have worked, what you have done earlier. Then learn product thinking. Now we know something like called as product thinking also is there. Then there is mock interview plus polished interview. So So day one is what actually does. So it is telling you know watch 2 to 3 YouTube videos. You can ask it for links also, guys. It is like your assistant. Are you understand? It is like your assistant. And Claude paid plan has become so good it can create your PPTs also. All these PPTs which I create, right? All of them are made using Claude. Right? So this is how you should use it for preparing for your interview. Right? Apart from that, any projects you have, final year projects, you can use it for that as well. Yes, any inputs on this, guys? Is this interesting or not? Preparing for interview using AI. Right? Does this change the way you would have prepared for your interviews? Does this change the way you would, brainstorm? Any problem, guys? Any problem or anywhere you feel you need a help of a specialist, just go and talk to AI. Right now, you don't need to know what all questions I have to ask, right? Before this, we didn't know what all should I prepare for. Now I know 5, 10 things, right? So it is basically the AI is going to be as good as you are going to be. After it gives output, what are you going to do? Are you going to study? When you read it, you will get more questions out of it. Yes or no? When I'm going to read this entire thing, I'm going to get more questions into my mind, right? First is, first question is what does PM actually do? Okay, I'll watch this video. It is not, your work is not done yet. You have to watch this video. You have to learn it. I would understand. You have to watch this cracking PM interview into chapters, right? Then Microsoft deep dive. What does Microsoft do, right? You have to do this thing. Build your story bank. Basically, aim for 6 to 8 stories like college projects, hackathons, club leadership. Do you think working out this, you will learn more about yourself and you would have thought about the problem? And if you do all these steps, you will be able to perform better in the interview. Guys, are you able to understand what I want you all to do? Right? This is the mindset. It is not just, see, many students ask me this also, right? Like, sir, I also have an AI tool. Melvin also have an AI tool. Alok also has an AI tool. Like, how my response is going to be different? How many of you have this question? Right? Everyone has the AI tool. How my thing is going to be different? See, output though it has given to everyone. But how do you use this output depends on you, right? Are you going to watch those YouTube videos and make notes out of it? Are you going to, aim for 6 to 8 stories and make notes out of it? After it has given output, what are you going to do with it? Not everyone is going to study, trust me on this. I would say only 1 or 2% of the folks are going to watch the YouTube video completely. Or even if watch also, while watching they will watch something else also. It is about what do you do with the output. So after this thing, if you find anything you don't understand, then you again ask it. So basically, you have to be curious. The more you use it, the more you develop your understanding. Do you think after doing this preparation plan, I will have a good understanding of product management or not? And as compared to someone who didn't follow this, I will be a better product manager as compared to him or not. Similarly, I do 10 more things like this, and the other person is just using AI for just, asking or Googling the thing. Don't you think in a year, I will have more base knowledge as compared to him or not? I will be a better person, I will be more knowledgeable, I will have more understanding of everything, yes or not? Are you able to understand what I'm taking you towards? AI can give you output, but you have to work on that output as well. It has saved you time from Googling. It is giving you focused content. You just have to consume it. If you're not consuming it, it's a waste of time. Right? Yes, guys? I would end the class by showing you one crazy thing. I'm working on an AI movie as well. Okay. So, this is a confidential project. Like I'm not supposed to show it to you, but yeah. It's just a trailer. Wait, I think I should have it on my phone as well. questions, feel free to ask me. People are building, guys, end-to-end production-ready apps. People are earlier you used to have 10, 20 people in your team. But going forward, a billion-dollar company will be made by just one person. Right? That is the level we are operating at right now with the AI. Right? When computers came, a lot of people lost their job. People are against it. Now AI is doing this at a much faster rate as compared to earlier. Right? It is something which is growing so fast, so fast. I cannot even tell you, if you're not using AI, trust me, you're going to be very irrelevant and you won't be able to survive in the job market. And every day, how many of you have heard, IBM, Oracle laid off 30,000 people, right, recently. IBM laid off a lot many folks, HCL laid off a lot many folks. Indian IT market is crashing. Why? Because they don't need much engineers right now. AI is able to do work of so many people. Right? So if you are like after today's session, I believe you would have had some shift in the mindset about how do you think about it. Yes. So guys, tomorrow when you're coming, come with a problem. I guess Shiksha is gonna divide into teams of 3 or 4 folks, and you have to work on a problem. Yes. And use all the steps which I had told you today. All the steps which I had told you today, you have to follow the same thing and incorporate it during solving the problem. Any idea, start with talking to it. Yeah. So it is going. Yes, guys, anyone any doubts you guys have? You feel free to ask. Yes? No doubts? Nothing? So I'll ask you what you have learned today. Okay? Yes, please. I used Hagen, Heygen, Hagen, for making avatar. And guys, these days, shooting ads, right? Let's say I have I am making a healthy protein shake, a protein powder. Okay, if I have to shoot an ad, what I used to do earlier, I used to hire models, right? I'll just show you the video. This is, guys, 100% AI made from the character. Music is made by like 100% AI made. Character, Radha, Krishna. If I have to shoot this, we made it in 2 days. If I have to shoot this, how much money I would have to spend? Entire production crew, post-production, pre-production, costumes, character, casting, everything. Can you imagine, guys? Don't you think this is just one sector I'm talking about? Branding, marketing, engineering, right? Any field, real estate, anywhere you think, right? AI is going, right? And we have to start with AI first. But AI, as I told you, it can just help you. You have to learn with it and develop yourself. Yes? Great. So tomorrow, guys, we are going to come back and we are going to work on Build-a-thon. I will be helping you around, right? I will be here. I'll be helping you and we will do a showcase also, right? So So yeah, we will share the rules also with you. And yes, I think we are gonna call it a day. And thank you for being so patient, and I hope you learned. It would have brought some understanding in how do you approach the problem and how do you go about it. And how many of you after this class will incorporate AI in your daily life, guys? Only one guy will incorporate in daily life. Why? You guys will not incorporate. So raise your hand. Yes. How many of you are going to use AI every day now? Guys, the more you use, the more better you will get at it. Okay, so I want all of you to use, always use how AI can help me in this. Right? Thank you for joining, guys. And yes, I'll see you tomorrow and come with a problem. Okay, thank you.
Guys, you all can be seated here for some time. We'll just take a quick attendance and then you can go. But just to reiterate again, tomorrow is the day that you get practical hands-on experience. So tomorrow you cannot come without laptops. Okay, please ensure you have your laptops with you. And tomorrow, no one walks out without a project. Okay, you have to show that. Is that good? Louder. Thank you.
And one more thing, guys, we are taking testimonials. You can tell how was the session, what did you learn to Kevin. So my cameraman Kevin, he is here. Okay, you can come and tell, he'll ask you how was the session. You can tell him if you feel like, okay. I'll feature you on my Instagram page. Cool? Okay, thank you for joining, guys. Guys, who want to give a testimonial? How was the session? No? Harsh? No? Anyone else? You wanna? Otherwise, also if you wanna tell how was the session or something like that. No? Cool. No worries, guys. Thank you for joining. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow.
Guys, any one of you, if you have any questions, please ask him. Any one of you. Any queries also. Guys, you can come up yourself and then ask questions, anything related to the session.
Or at least please some of you can give a feedback also.
Whatever it is, just come and give the feedback. Guys, any one of you.